Welcome back to our EVS class. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So students, our 13th chapter is going on and our notebook work is also started. So in the previous session, we had done with the keywords and very short question answers, and also we had done one short question answer. So today we will just continue this notebook work, and this chapter will be completed today, and today I will be sending you the homework, and that homework is you have to do the given worksheet, and also I will be giving you something to learn. So let's start writing. So everyone just keep your notebooks with you and start writing with me. Yeah. So what we have done? Keywords done and very short question answers done. One short question answer also done. Now today we will be doing question number 2 of short question answer. Well, first question we had done. Now we are doing second question of short question answer. So right here, question number 2. What kind of work do the following What kind of work do the following people do? Now they are giving us some names of the people and we have to tell that what kind of work they do. People do. So number A is, first they are asking about the tailor. What kind of work tailor do? Then B is gardener. What kind of work gardener do? I can ask about any people, so you all have to read the chapter properly. And then C part is florist. And then D part is baker. So we have to tell about these 4 people, that what kind of work they do. Okay, so hurry up, write this question. What kind of work do the following people do? Tailor, gardener, florist, baker. So one by one we will be writing about tailor, gardener, florist and baker. Let's start the answer. Okay, so firstly I am going to talk about tailor. So tailor, what is the work of a tailor? A tailor stitches our clothes. So right here, a tailor stitches, S-T-I-T-C-H-E-S, stitches. A tailor stitches our clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Okay. A tailor stitches our clothes. Now we are writing about the B, that is gardener. Gardener. See. What is the spelling of gardener? G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. Gardener. What is the work of a gardener? Gardener looks after the plants in a garden. So right here, a gardener looks after the plant plants in our garden. Okay, so a gardener looks after the plants in our garden. हमारे गार्डन में जो भी plants होते हैं उनकी देखभाल कौन करता है? It is a work of a gardener. Next is florist. What is the work of florist? Yes, florists sell the flowers. So right write here a florist sells flowers. Flowers को sell करना, this is the work of a florist. Okay. Then we are writing about the last one, that is a baker. What is the work of a baker? A baker bakes bread and cake. A baker bakes bread and cakes. Write it down, giving you few seconds to write. Then we will do long question answer. Okay, hope it is done. Now we are starting with the long question answers. So everyone just make a heading of long question answer under this. Okay. So the first long question answer is, what kind of work do the following people do while constructing a house? Now when house construction is going on, there are some people, those who work. Now we have to tell about those people here. So write question number first. What kind of work do the following people do? What kind of work do the following people do while constructing a house? While constructing a house. Okay, I am putting here question mark. Now write A. First they are asking about the engineer. Engineer. B. Architect. C. Carpenter. And D is electrician. E. Painter. And F is laborer. That is laborer. Okay, so these are the 6 people. We have to tell what work they do. Now let's start with the A. I am writing here about the engineer first. So engineer, what is the work of an engineer? He supervises the construction. He supervises the construction. Yeah, he supervises the construction of a house. Okay, he supervises the construction of a house. Then next is about B, that is architect. Now we will be writing about architect. So what is the work of an architect? Yeah, so he designs or draws. He designs or draws the plan. He designs or draws the plan of the house. Plan of the house. So this is the work of an architect. Then I am writing about carpenter. Now what is the work of carpenter? Yeah, so he does the woodwork. he does the woodwork, right? Carpenter does the woodwork and makes furniture. And makes furniture. Okay? I am erasing this one. Okay, after that we will be writing about next, that is electrician. What is the work of an electrician? Yeah, so electrician does the wiring. He does the wiring. He does the wiring. Right? He does the wiring for electricity. For electricity. He does the wiring for electricity and electrical fitting. Electrical fitting. So this is the work of an electrician. He does the wiring for electricity and electrical fitting. The next is painter. About the painter, what is the work of a painter? He paints the room. He paints the room and the building. And the building. So this is the work of a painter. He paints the rooms and the building. Now about the last one, laborer. What is the work of a laborer? He carries building material. He carries building material required by he carries building material required by the mason to build the house. So what things mason needed? So he carries all the building material which is required by the mason to build the house. Like it can be cement, it can be water, it can be bricks. So everything he just carries and give to the mason. Okay, giving you few seconds to write it, then we will be doing question number 2 of the long. Okay, now students, let's do question number 2. So write question number 2. What do you understand by household work? What do you understand by household work? What is the meaning of household work? And also write any 2 ways that make ourselves useful. कि किस तरह से हम वो काम करते हैं and we are useful in that. So what do you understand by household work? Also write any 2 ways that make ourselves useful. So let's write about firstly what do you understand by household work. The work we do at our home. The work we do at our home is called household work. Is called household work. Okay? So the work we do at our home is called household work. 2 ways are how can we help at home. So 2 ways are, first, write the two ways. We are just adding, yeah. So we can help our elders. We can help our elders in cleaning the home. Okay? We can help our elders in cleaning the home. Second, we can write, we can help our elders by putting their things at the proper place. By putting their things at proper places. So these are the two ways that how can we help also. And what is the meaning of household work? What do you understand by household work? So work we do at our home is called household work. We can help our elders in cleaning the home, and we can help our elders by putting their things at proper places. So these are the question answers of chapter number 13, and our chapter this chapter is completed. And homework I will be sending on the WhatsApp, giving you few seconds to write it. Okay students, that is all for today. I will be sending the worksheet and also the homework that what you have to learn, and that's it. That's it for all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.